Hello, my friends. Have you ever heard about the magical secrets hidden in the process of raising pythons? The processing of leather from python is an attractive million-dollar industry. Join us to explore this journey now. Python skin fashion products, a trend since the 1980s, epitomize luxury today, fetching an average price of $5,000 per item. With soaring demand, the python leather industry now boasts a billion-dollar value, underscoring its allure in the fashion world. Python skins primarily hail from Southeast Asia, sourced either from wild captures or farm-raised pythons. For many in Southeast Asian countries, raising and processing pythons serves as a vital source of income. Regions like Malaysia and Myanmar supply large quantities of python skins to fuel the fashion markets in Europe and the United States. Are you captivated by handbags featuring unique python patterns? The priciest python leather handbag can fetch up to $200,000, underscoring its exceptional value in fashion. With luxury brands like Gucci and Louis Vuitton at the forefront. The python leather industry boasts profits of $23.5 billion. If you're attracted by these unique handbags, please comment number 1. Pythons undergo a meticulous skinning process, delicately separated from their bodies using sharp, small knives. The ultimate aim is to craft flawless, complete pieces of python skins. Careful handling is paramount to avoid tears and preserve the skin's value and integrity. The fashion world's use of python skin has sparked debate among animal welfare advocates, concerned about the ethics of killing and skinning pythons. However, it's important to clarify that skinning usually occurs after the pythons are euthanized. Additionally, many pythons are farm-raised, with the demand for their skins providing vital income for impoverished individuals, preventing further hardship. Python skin is prized in fashion for its durability, making it perfect for everyday accessories. While its trade is restricted in many places, licensed processing facilities supply fashion designers. Python shoes offer durability and comfort, with their soft texture providing a luxurious feel. Python skin's water-resistant and weather-resistant properties can make it a sought-after material in fashion. To meet demand, fashion brands have set up farms in Southeast Asia, where pythons are raised in optimal conditions for the highest quality leather products. These pythons are then transformed into shoes, handbags and belts, ensuring both quality and sustainability in production. Python skin's exorbitant price reflects its rarity and the significant effort required for its production and care. Breeding Burmese and reticulated pythons, the world's largest python species, was once deemed economically unviable due to their lengthy maturation period and challenging care requirements. However, with advancements in python farming, breeders now generate millions of dollars in income, significantly boosting local economies. Python meat is a nutritious protein source, rich in calcium and beneficial for bone and joint health. Adding python products to your diet can help prevent related diseases, making it a unique and valuable addition to your meals. Python fat has healing and beautifying properties, especially rich collagen content, helping the skin to be smooth and youthful. Therefore, cosmetics containing python ingredients are increasingly popular, bringing health and beauty benefits to women. In your country, is python meat banned for consumption? Explore the captivating realm of eel farming, a lucrative segment within the global agricultural industry. Valued at over $1 billion, eel farms supply around 60% of the world's consumed eel meat. Join us on this intriguing journey. Japan's breakthrough in cultivating eels is controlled aquaculture ponds marks a pivotal advancement in eel farming. This milestone not only ignites optimism within the industry, but also paves the way for sustainable development, unlocking fresh opportunities for growth and innovation. Eel farms come in diverse sizes, spanning 30 to 300 square meters. Tailored to the eel's life stages, these farms utilize ponds or specialized recirculating water tanks, meticulously maintaining temperatures between 73.4 Fahrenheit and 82.4 Fahrenheit to ensure optimal growth conditions. Eel farms are thriving worldwide, with major producers spanning European countries, Scandinavia, China, Taiwan, Australia and Morocco. However, Japan stands out as the largest producer, leading the charge in eel farming innovation and production. Providing suitable food for eels is crucial for their health and development. As you know, eels are carnivorous. They always need to be supplied with a diet rich in protein. Eels thrive on a diverse diet, comprising of sea fish or small fish for protein, grass for fiber and minerals, soybean meal, and fish oil for balanced nutrition. To mitigate cannibalism and competition, eels undergo sorting every 6 weeks, ensuring optimal growth and well-being. Innovative practices on this farm have shortened the eel farming period to just 6 to 12 months, yielding a monthly market supply of 30 tons of eels. To ensure premium quality, eel feeding ceases 1 to 2 days before harvesting, enhancing the final product's taste and texture. Ever savored the unique taste of Japanese eel? Crafting this dish demands years of culinary finesse. Prepared by a kabayaki style, it can cost over $90, reflecting its exquisite flavor. Despite high prices, demand remains robust, but the overall catch has plummeted by 75% since 1980, causing significant price fluctuations. In January 2018, glass eels commanded a jaw-dropping $35,000 per kilogram.